Here we have some lifts in like Christchurch Central Library, and these are those two little Bunnabeats. But look at this panel arrangement. Why didn't they put the floor decayers up here? This is ridiculous. We're taking out this first. It's this one. Here is the lift. It's these are new Schindler loaders, and oh dear, this does not look good. What the? Oh, they got two panels. Why did they put 33? Why did they put Schindler 33 units in a library? That's the most stupidest thing I've ever heard. I mean, compared to like the Waitai Johnsville Library where it was like 3 floors and they had 5500s. This is just stupid. We have the 4th floor and yeah, got 4 cars over 7 floors, so that's nice. But yeah. Oh wow, that's nice. And I've never seen before, but why did they put why? Yeah, they sound like yours, but they're actually 3300s. Just well, they could be 5500s with 3500 logic, but these are definitely not up to spec. It seems like. Here we have the ground floor. Let's go, and yeah, I'll probably screw that up. And that's it.